Hey guys, Dr. Hulik here. I am starting a brand new sleep clinic here in town. We got done with patients and I just wanted to share where we're at on our journey. For those of you that don't really know, really our goal is to help patients breathe better while they're sleeping, which should improve their overall health. So if you're not familiar, obstructive sleep apnea is essentially where your airway is obstructed. You're not breathing as well as you could when you're sleeping, which leads to stress on the body and leads to poor sleep, which over time has a lot of significant negative health consequences. And so dentists come into this by essentially making oral appliances, which move the jaw forward, which changes the airway geometry, which helps people breathe better, which should help treat their obstructive sleep apnea. And it's proven to be the oral appliance is a good first-line therapy for mild to moderate cases, and it can be used in severe cases. So we're trying to help people breathe better and sleep better and live better, essentially. I'm sharing this because I'm curious if any of you out there are in the process of starting a new business, maybe thinking about starting a business, career move, side hustle, whatever it is. If you are, shoot me a message. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to kind of go on this journey together. Where we're at so far, we are currently remodeling this space, which we have had to practice, to be our more kind of sleep-focused area, which is exciting. Hopefully, we're shooting for probably mid-September to have this all done. We are getting the LLC, the professional entity set up. There's some issues as far as me using the word sleep, airway, breathing, anything related to those in the professional entity name. And so I'm just basically trying to come up with something different, probably something very generic that I can use, which meets your requirements. So with regards to kind of marketing and promoting all this, so a couple of months ago, a company I work with called Gargle, which is great, by the way, they help us with our website SEO. We started to put kind of subjects on our website and content around sleep through the existing practice, which has worked, even something as basic as that, as far as patients, finding us online, searching for sleep, searching for solutions, coming in for consultations. This past month, we started doing lunch and learns with doctors' offices, which has been interesting. And so, we're looking to set up lunch and learns with primary care, cardiologists, ENTs, neurologists, basically just to help kind of spread the word, because, sleep is very interdisciplinary. And so a lot of these patients are going to be referrals from physicians. And so we want to build and establish relationships with them. And then what I plan on doing too for our marketing is creating a lot of other long form YouTube content, honestly, with regards to just information on sleep, how we treat sleep, break it up into smaller snippets, distributing those, and then trying to basically provide as much value through content as we can for patients, which then ideally should raise awareness about our products and services and just different ways that we can help people. So, this past month, really, we're seeing maybe 1 to 2 sleep patients a month. Our goal is to be doing, of course, much more than that, because I know there's patients out there that need our help. It's an exciting journey, really just getting started. I'll be excited to kind of post updates and really just kind of see where all this goes. Wherever you're at in your journey with your business, whether it's brand new, well established, I wish you all the best. And if you have any questions or just want to talk about things, shoot me a message. In the meantime, I'll keep sharing updates with you guys, wins, problems, solutions, everything in between that we're facing, because that's just the reality of starting something. So thank you guys for your time.